Hey, this is Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe featuring Rough Country's 3.5-inch lift kit. This kit features Rough Country upper control arms as well as differential spacers to keep the CV axle angles in line. It's going to raise the front up 3.5 inches and bring the rear up 1.5 inches to keep the truck nice and level. Everything about the 2021 Tahoe exudes luxury, including the ride, which is something we wanted to make sure we kept. And this 3.5-inch lift has been designed to retain that factory ride quality. You've got your choices of either a strut spacer to be used with the factory strut, or you can upgrade to Rough Country's 3.5-inch lifted strut. This particular truck is sitting on the XD Mammoth wheel in a 20x9, wrapped in a BFG KO2, and the size is 305/5520. Chevrolet really knocked it out of the park with the redesign of the new Tahoe. Add to that the 3.5-inch lift and some aggressive wheels and tires, and you've got a ride that is at home both on Rodeo Drive and driving to the rodeo. Watch out for my monster can. Sorry. Ezekiel! I'm gonna do that again. I paused. Whether you're at Rodeo, we didn't want you to lose this redesign of the. You've got a truck that is. That's my beard. I don't like that look. Is that okay? You lying to me? And I don't. Now, right now.